Hello everyone. A warm welcome in another research video. Did you know Cummins Incorporation, which is one of the oldest engine manufacturing and among the Fortune 500 company, was mainly founded by a banker and a mechanic? Yes, Cummins is founded by Plessy Cummins, who worked as a chauffeur, a driver, and mechanic for William Irwin, a banker in Columbus in Indiana. Plessy Cummins had a very keen knack for the mechanical, which was noticed by Irwin. Well, Irwin is none other, nephew of William Irwin. He was also instrumental in the rise of the Cummins Company. The most fascinating thing about the company is the promoter Plessy Cummins had no formal education beyond the 8th grade, but still able to make a world-renowned engine company. Even though, when Plessy was only 11 years old, he built his own steam engine from molten cast iron he poured into wooden blocks that served as molds. His home-built steam engine was used to pump water for his father's farm. So this is how Cummins' success journey begins. Well, today we will discuss about the Cummins India Ltd, which is a subsidiary company of Cummins Incorporation. So let's begin with an introduction of the company. As we already discussed, Cummins India Ltd is a part of the Cummins Group. It's headquartered located in Pune since 1962 and is the country's leading manufacturer of diesel and natural gas engines for power generation, industrial and automotive markets. Cummins India Ltd has a countrywide network of 20 dealerships with over 450 service points that provides products, services and after-market solutions for uptime of Cummins equipment and engines to customers in India, Nepal and Bhutan. Furthermore, company caters its products and solutions different verticals such as railways, marine, mining, trucks, agricultural, construction and oil and gas infrastructure. Now we will move ahead to executive management of Cummins India Ltd. First, Stephen M. Chapman. Steve M. Chapman is heading the position of chairman of the company. He is also on the board of Carthage College, Axalta Coating Systems Limited and Zeo Cummins Karma. He previously occupied the position of Group Vice President China and Russia at Cummins Incorporation and Vice President Emerging Markets and Businesses at Cummins Westport Incorporation. Further, Mr. Chapman received an undergraduate degree from St. Olaf College and a graduate degree from Yale School of Management. Second, Ashwath Ram. Ashwath Ram is appointed as Managing Director and CEO of the company with effect from August 17, 2019 for term of 3 years. Mr. Ashwath first joined Cummins in Columbus, Indiana, USA in 1991 and since that time he has led business unit operations as well as key strategic transformations for the engine business and power systems in India. He completed his undergraduate degree in Industrial Engineering from Purdue University, USA, and Masters in Business Administration, MBA, from the Kelley School of Business at Indiana University, USA. Now we will look for shareholding pattern. As of March 2022, in-company promoters are holding 51% of shareholding. Foreign portfolio investors that are FPIs are holding 10.52% of stakes. However, mutual funds shareholding is consisting about to 19% and insurance companies are holding 6.36% of shareholding. Other than that, public along with other institutions is holding nearly 13%. All in all, promoters shareholding is enough strong, having a majority stakes. Even mutual funds are also having good proportion in the company that reflects the interest and trustworthiness in the company. Let's discuss about the business and products undertaken by Cummins India. Cummins India is engaged in the manufacturing and selling of various industrial equipment and components. Meanwhile, the company comprises of 3 businesses, which are engine business, serving the construction and compressor segments with heavy, medium and light duty engines. Power systems business serving mining, marine, rail, oil and gas, defense. Power generation and distribution business. However, the company has an advantage from its parent company Cummins Inc. that helps in utilizing the optimum R&D and innovation in its products. Now we will look at Cummins product segment. Engine business unit. The engine business unit designs and manufactures state-of-the-art diesel and natural gas-powered engines. The business also offers new parts and remanufactured parts and engines. Components business unit. The components segment consists of 4 businesses with key technologies for delivering integrated solutions: Cummins Filtration, Cummins Turbo Technology, Cummins Emission Solutions and Fuel System Distribution business unit. Cummins Distribution Unit provides sales, service and support to our customers across India. With 21 authorized dealerships, 120 plus dealership branch offices, and more than 450 service touchpoints, Cummins employees have the technical expertise and experience to deliver high-quality repairs, planned maintenance and upgrade solutions. Revenue segment. Segment-wise revenue breakup. 75% of revenue has been generated from domestic, under which 33% of sales constitute about power generation, 25.45% of sales comes through distribution business, whereas industrial business contributes 15.42% of share revenue. Meanwhile, in export, high horsepower and low horsepower constitutes approx 25% of business to total revenue. As we have seen, power generation constitutes highest share in the revenue. Out of the total power generation segment, maximum sales drives from the manufacturing, that is 26%, residential 19%, commercial 23%. Now we will look upon geographical wise revenue bifurcation. The mix between domestic and export is usually treated towards export, it's more like 70:30. But in FY21, Cummins India reported approximately 73% sales from domestic. On the other hand, exports accounted for 27%. In fact, the export business delivers better realization and improved margins compared to the domestic market. Further, new products meeting most of the stringent pollution emissions compliance, CPCBIV compliance, will provide a runway for growth and gaining market share. Let's know the manufacturing facilities. So basically, Cummins manufacturing facility categorized into 3 divisions. First is engine, second is power system, and third is distribution business. For the engine business division, Cummins has 2 plants which are both located in Maharashtra state. For power system business division, company has 3 facilities, 2 are in Maharashtra and 1 is in Tamil Nadu. On distribution business front, business division is originated for catering after sales and services support and maintenance services of existing Cummins engines and machines. Market share. Cummins India Ltd is having the highest market share in power genset industry. However, the Indian diesel genset market is set to grow to $1,831.2 million by 2030 at CAGR 9.4% 2021 to 2030. Now you will know the financials of Cummins India. Over the past 10 years, Cummins India registered a mere 3% CAGR sales returns. Even on the PAT side, similar growth has been registered of mere 2% CAGR over the 10 years. During the period of 10 years, overall cash improved by 6%. Well, on ratios front, except operating margins, every ratios improved in March 22nd year against previous year. Let's discuss about the management discussion and Concall highlights. First, new launches. During the year, company introduced some innovative and techno-based products in power genset segment. Company launched PSO controller for low horsepower range of 82.5 to 125 kVA. Furthermore, under exports business, County has launched B3.3 and QSB7 gensets, although the company launched compact 50 kVA genset for a special purpose defense application. On the other hand, company expanded the distribution business unit by adding clutches, fillers, BSIV long blocks, coolants for the highways verticals. The company has forayed into FMOL certified pumps segment and is planning to expand product portfolio with high-speed engines for export opportunities. Second, business outlook. Company established a strong aftermarket presence that is servicing 627,000 plus engines in the field. Cummins is working in the way to fulfill the overall demand from each and every sector because of ongoing infrastructure development. Apart from that, CIL moved from mechanical to new age electricals gensets to address the onset of BSIV for construction equipment vehicle applications. For the export business, Cummins India tied up and confirmed major deals for the supply of low kilovolt ampere gensets for 5G telecoms companies in Asia Pacific to ensure the rollout of faster and reliable 5G mobile network as well as expansion of Internet of Things. Let's discuss the last section, that is strengths and weakness. Strengths. First, market leader in power generation. Cummins India Ltd is a leading manufacturer of diesel engines and power generator sets with a 40% market share in the diesel engines gensets industry. It also has a strong presence in high-value and high-margin high-HP gensets. Moreover, the company has a strong technology and innovation track record, well supported by its parent, which helps it stay ahead of peers across changes in emission norms. The segment's order visibility continues to remain strong on the back of higher infrastructure spends, PLI investments, 5G and cloud-based data storage driving demand for data centers. Second, advantage from R&D focus of the Cummins Group. Cummins India is a subsidiary of Cummins Inc., USA, a global manufacturer of engines and other power generation products. CIL, in collaboration with its parent company, Cummins Inc., USA, introduces new products and improves upon existing products which are tailored for the specific needs of the Indian market. CIL's moat lies in the tech advantage from parent's $1 billion annual R&D. The base tech from the parent can be customized with lower domestic R&D spends in India and sold as new age products. It benefits from Cummins Group entities in terms of sourcing and sales of products at a payment of marginal royalty. A strong R&D focus by the parent company coupled with marginal royalty payment approximately 1% of net sales as royalty PA during FY 16 to 20, approximately 0.3% in FY21, helps CIL perform well. Weakness. First, raw material price volatility. Faster replacement of diesel gensets. The evolution of battery technology poses a viable threat to diesel gensets even in the near to medium term. With the faster implementation of PLI scheme for battery manufacturing, government push can increase battery availability. Big industrial conglomerates and foreign technology players are also planning to set up battery manufacturing plants, which can boost scale and reduce costs. Second, high competitive intensity. The domestic power gen market is highly competitive with local players expanding the current portfolio and international players gaining market share. Global OEMs as well as genset assemblers are driving increased competition in exports markets. That's it for today. Check out our blog section for more meaningful in-depth insights. Link in description box. Like our video if you find anything valuable, and comment if you have any query.